In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a trifold Valentine's card. I'm Travel Blackman. Let's jump into it. We will need some design cardstock. I have a variety here. Now, if you can't find design cardstock, what you can do is take gift paper and cut it to the size of your cardstock and cover the paper both back and front. That's what I did here. All right. In addition to that, you need a 15.5 inch wide piece of cardstock by 8.5 inch, along with your ruler, scissors, pencil, mounting tape, and your glue. Next, you will need a piece of rectangular or square cardboard, and you fold it down the center to make your template for your heart shapes that you would need. Right, so from the enclosed end, what you'll do, you'll draw shape like that. Now you can use a variety of different sizes in the square, so you can have different sizes of heart shapes. Then you are going to cut it out. And there you go. So make a few different sizes of these, and then we are going to cut our shapes using our design cardstock. I have made 4 different sizes in this shape, so I'm going to use this to cut my different sizes in my cardstock here. Once you would have done that, you cut out your shape. There you go. So we're going to cut a few using these different sizes here to create our shapes. So I went ahead and cut quite a few of them. We may not use all, alright, but it's here. We are making a trifold card, so the first thing we'd have to do is divide this into 3 equal parts. So this sheet of cardstock here is 15.5 inches or so. So to equally divide this, we will need to make a mark of 5.1 or so. So you're going to make that mark to the top and the bottom. So let's start from our right. So we now have to fold where those marks are. So you're going to take your ruler and align the 2 points, the point at the top and the point at the bottom, and fold it over. This part, however, we want to fold it back. So we'll have something that looks like this. Now we have a little extra piece here, we can cut this off. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to make 2 other marks. On this part of the card, we want to make a, let's say, a 2-inch mark from this point here. So we're going to take our ruler, make that mark, and then on this side here, we want to make a mark at the halfway point. So that would be, this is what? This is 8.5, so this would be 4.25. Make our mark. So from this point to this point, you would need to draw a line. So you need a longer ruler. Now where the line is, we are going to cut it away. Now we have something that looks like this. So it's going to be that way, that way. Awesome. Good. So we can start assembling our card. So our first shape would go here. Alright, so before you actually paste, you want to move it around first to have an idea of how it's going to fit. So for this very first one, we are going to use glue on the bottom. No, you don't want this to overlap where the crease is, because you would not be able to close the card. So you want to check that to ensure you're not overlapping here. Then this one is going to come here, but what we're going to do, we're going to use the mounting tape to raise it a bit. So you're going to check to see which side design you prefer. Next, what you want to do is cut a piece of cardstock red, and you're going to place it to the front like that. Then you cut off whatever excess you have. And voila. Another thing is that you can add some type of message to the center here. What I did, I went ahead and I printed this out and then cut it into the shape. And there you go, our trifold card.
If you enjoyed this tutorial, do leave us a like and a comment, and click on the subscribe button and bell to receive notifications for whenever we upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.